To make a homemade toy car, prepare 2 identical clear plastic bottles. Make holes at the same positions, insert a stick through, and attach bottle caps as wheels. Remove the top of another bottle and shape it into a 6-blade fan. Poke a hole in the cap and attach the fan to the bottle using a rubber band. Spin the fan and the car will move forward. This is a homemade bow and arrow made from floss picks and rubber bands. Tie 4 floss picks together to form the bow. Then, tie 2 rubber bands and wrap them around both ends. Attach a piece of straw in the middle to hold a cotton swab as the arrow. Next is how to make a creative toy car using paper staples. The staples are cleverly arranged and securely connected without any glue, tape, or rubber bands. They hold together firmly on their own without falling apart. Carefully shape the front, body, and wheels of the car, then assemble all the parts carefully together. It's a fun and simple little toy for kids to enjoy playing with. Prepare 5 popsicle sticks and double-sided tape. Join 3 sticks with tape and bands. Place one diagonally, another horizontally. Make small grooves to attach bands. Try it! A plastic bottle is punched with holes, then straws are inserted and taped. Attach a spray nozzle to the bottle. Now you have a water gun to play with. A homemade pull-string merry-go-round. Punch holes in a paper cup. Thread a string and chopstick. Use hot glue to attach cardboard to the cup. Tape paper on ends. Glue colored paper on a blue circle. Shape it into a cone. Tie a paper crane to a white circle. Assemble parts to create the merry-go-round. A homemade boat made from a Yakult bottle. Tie 4 wooden sticks to both sides of the bottle with rubber bands. Tie a piece of Yakult plastic between the stick ends. Twist the plastic many times, then release it into the water. The plastic bottle's top is separated. It's turned into fringed strips shaped like a flower. Attach colorful paper flowers to each fringe. Insert a candle into the cap and screw it on. A beautiful, glowing candle. Truly wonderful. Punch holes in bottle cap and bottom. Tie 2 rubber bands, thread through hole, and pull to cap. Tie wooden sticks to ends to hold bands. Use hot glue to attach another cap to sticks, then attach to bottle cap. Tie paper cranes to sticks. Now you have a beautiful merry-go-round. A simple motorcycle made from a binder clip. Take the round piece inside a pen cap and make a hole to form a wheel. Remove one handle from the clip and attach the wheel in the center. Reattach the handle. Attach a paper clip to one handle. On the other side, attach 2 wheels to the clip. Take another handle and clip it in the middle. Attach the clip's head to form the body. That's how a motorcycle is made. Here's how to make a mini spinning wheel. Materials are simple. Wooden sticks are assembled into a sturdy structure. 2 plastic bottle caps are joined. Around them are colorful lollipops. Kids will love this toy.